Slice, dice, and create magic in the kitchen with the perfect paring knife. A great knife is a chef's best friend, especially when it comes to those precise, delicate cuts. We've rounded up the 5 absolute best paring knives that'll make your cooking adventures a breeze. Your culinary prowess deserves the best, and these 5 knives are the ultimate kitchen powerhouses. From peeling to fine chopping, these knives are your secret weapon. Say hello to effortless slicing and get ready to conquer any recipe with ease. These knives aren't just tools, they're your kitchen sidekicks. Sit back, watch, and choose one of your favorites. Number 5. ZWILLING Twin Grip Paring Knife. Starting with our 5th contender, the ZWILLING Twin Grip Paring Knife stands out for its remarkable features and exceptional craftsmanship. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this knife exemplifies durability and strength. The choice of material ensures resistance to corrosion and maintains the blade's integrity over time, making it a long-lasting kitchen essential. The knife features a single-piece precision-stamped blade, expertly engineered for durability and accuracy in slicing, peeling, and intricate cutting tasks. This construction guarantees resilience while offering precise control over each cut. An exceptional feature of the knife is its free-odor ice-hardened blade. This specialized treatment not only initiates the blade's sharpness, but also enhances its resilience, ensuring it stays sharper for more extended periods compared to conventional blades. The blade's precision-honed edge, controlled by advanced laser technology, maintains an exceptional sharpness. This results in effortless cutting and slicing, making kitchen prep tasks swift and precise. The knife's handles, made of colored polypropylene, offer an ideal combination of durability and safety. These handles are designed to be break-proof, slip-resistant, and maintain excellent hygiene standards. The textured and ergonomically contoured handles ensure a secure grip, enhancing control and comfort during use. Its lightweight and maneuverable design make it an indispensable tool for various kitchen tasks, including peeling, trimming, slicing, and intricate detailing work. While dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the knife's edge and maintain its longevity. Its meticulous construction and utilization of premium materials make it an essential accessory of every kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link given in the description box to order right now. Number 4. HENCKELS Forged Premio Paring Knife. Introducing the HENCKELS Forged Premio Paring Knife, an absolute game-changer in the culinary world. This exceptional knife isn't just crafted from top-quality German stainless steel. It's a testament to unmatched durability and cutting prowess. What sets it apart is its superior resistance to corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting edge that won't disappoint. But here's where it truly shines. The knife's forged bolster construction offers more than just durability. It delivers a balanced and controlled feel, making precision cutting effortless. The professional set and finish blade is more than just sleek. It's meticulously honed for that consistently sharp edge, making every slicing task a breeze. Now let's talk about the comfort it gives. The modern triple rivet handle design isn't just ergonomic, it's a game changer for those extended kitchen sessions. Its curve provides a secure grip, ensuring precise and comfortable cutting every time. And that stainless steel logo-stamped end cap is a mark of durability that reinforces this knife's reliability. This knife is a blend of convenience and care. While it's dishwasher safe for ease, a little hand washing ensures its edge stays sharp for the long haul. What sets this knife apart? It's not just about being a kitchen tool. It's about being an indispensable companion for every culinary venture. Click on the link in the description box to bring this kitchen superstar home. Trust me, this knife isn't just an addition. It's a kitchen revolution waiting to happen. Number 3. Wusthof Classic Paring Knife. The Wusthof Classic Paring Knife reigns supreme in kitchen cutlery, epitomizing precision, durability, and unmatched performance. Picture wielding a blade that transcends being a mere tool, becoming an extension of your culinary mastery. The Wusthof Classic is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship, forged from a single high-carbon stainless steel blank, impeccably tempered to 58 degrees Rockwell for unrivaled strength. This paring knife, a pinnacle of German engineering, incorporates precision edge technology, enhancing sharpness by a remarkable 20%, while doubling edge retention compared to ordinary knives. Beyond the blade, the ergonomic design features a robust polyoxymethylene handle, offering comfort and durability. The non-porous handle ensures hygiene, resisting bacteria and odors, while also withstanding heat and chemicals, making cleaning effortless. Not just a kitchen utensil, this paring knife is a timeless heirloom. Its traditional look and feel, coupled with a secure grip, guarantee precise control with every use. Versatility defines this knife, making it an unparalleled investment in quality, precision, and durability. Click the link in the description to secure yours now. A purchase that transcends utility, evolving into a lasting commitment to excellence. Number 2. Victorinox 3.25-inch paring knife. Embark on our culinary journey with the Victorinox 3.25-inch paring knife, a standout in kitchen cutlery. Holding second place among culinary contenders, this straight-edge paring knife is a kitchen magician. Its razor-sharp, laser-tested blade ensures maximum cutting performance and durability, tailored for various tasks. Crafted with precision, the polypropylene handle is not only dishwasher safe, but also provides a non-slip grip for confident maneuvering. The knife strikes a perfect balance, offering enhanced accuracy for intricate cutting tasks like peeling and trimming, while also excelling in larger jobs such as dicing and slicing. This knife reflects the expertise of culinary professionals, backed by a lifetime warranty against defects. With stellar ratings, it's a favorite among both professionals and home cooks. Click the link in the description to order yours today and experience the precision, versatility, and durability this kitchen essential delivers. Number 1. Dalstrong Paring Knife. Introducing the Dalstrong Paring Knife, the shining star of the esteemed Gladiator series. This 3.5-inch marvel is more than a mere tool. It's a fusion of exceptional craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design, all bundled into an offering that's as affordable as it is exceptional. Crafted from forged high-carbon German steel, this paring knife embodies precision and durability. Its razor-sharp blade is meticulously hand-polished at a 16 to 18 degree angle per side, ensuring effortless cutting through ingredients. Tempered to perfection and stain-resistant, this blade is a symbol of reliability in the kitchen. The premium ABS handle, triple riveted for stability, not only ensures comfort, but also provides maneuverability during use. Its laminated and polished finish adds to the knife's elegance while ensuring a sanitary build. Engineered to perfection at 56+ Rockwell hardness and hand-polished to a satin finish, this knife is a true work of art. Carefully tapered for improved hardness, flexibility, and minimal slicing resistance, it's a tool that makes precision cutting a breeze. The tall blade height offers enhanced functionality and ample knuckle clearance, ensuring safe and precise culinary adventures. NSF certified, it's a mark of quality and hygiene trusted by professionals. Beyond exceptional craftsmanship, Dalstrong emphasizes trust and satisfaction. Backed by a 100% satisfaction or money-back guarantee, Dalstrong invites you to experience the excellence of their knives risk-free. Once you wield this paring knife, you'll understand why it's the go-to choice for chefs and cooking enthusiasts worldwide. Click the provided link to explore and order this masterpiece now. After carefully reviewing various options, these 5 paring knives stand out for their exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. Whether you prioritize precision, comfort, or value, these selections cater to different needs, ensuring a top-tier experience in the kitchen. What's truly remarkable is how these knives manage to strike a balance between functionality, durability, and affordability. Each option offers exceptional value for its price point, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. So make sure to click on the links given in the description box and stay tuned to our channel for more amazing product reviews.